First hands-on image and side-by-side comparison image of Action 6 and Action 5 leaks have been surfacing online. An alleged retail Osmo Action 6 unit with its retail packaging. DJI has finally confirmed the launch date of its next action camera. Its full debut on November 18th, priced at $329 US. And this is the first look DJI OSMO Action 6. The Osmo Action 6 could deliver the most meaningful imaging jump since DJI introduced the Osmo Action 4. The new model will feature a 1/1.1-inch stacked CMOS sensor co-developed with Sony, a variable aperture of f2.0, f4.0, larger than both the Action 4 and the Action 5 Pro. Video capabilities may also take a leap, with support for 8K recording at 30 frames per second, and ProRes video, 5.3K per 60 frames per second, and 4K per 120 frames per second formats, with improved RockSteady 4.0 stabilization, IP68 rated durability, and 20mm waterproofing, and up to 4 hours of battery life. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.